How to fix Facebook Live comments are not showing. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. For that, click on your profile picture given at the top left corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now scrolling down over here, you will find the option of live. Click on it. Click on the option of go live. Just with that, you are live on Facebook. Now here you can see that comments will appear here. If someone's comments on your live, it's gonna appear over here. In the case people are commenting on your live but is not showing in the live, what you can do is, in your live, you can check your internet connection. For that, you can close this, launch your settings, then navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, and then give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Likewise, what you can do is report a problem. For that, launch your Facebook, then navigate to the menu page, scroll all the way down, click on Help and Support, navigate to the option of Report a Problem, click on Continue to Report, click on Include, click on the option of Live. Now here you have to explain about the issue that Facebook Live comments are not showing in your live. Once you type in that, you can send it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that, your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily fix Facebook Live comments are not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.